Hi guys, welcome to my page. Welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. Please kindly comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your subscription, your comments, your likes keep me going. Yeah, so what are we cooking today? Can you guess? Hopefully, I don't think you can guess. Anyway, we are cooking fish stew today. Yes, we are cooking fish stew. As you can see, I've already washed my fish. Yes, and the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in the oven. Yes, I've already sprinkled salt on it. Yes, so our fish in the oven and also our pepper in the oven. Yes, so this is the pepper I'm using, so I'm going to blend it. Okay, and the next thing I'm spraying some oil on the pan, which I'm going to use to put the fish in the oven. Yes, so this is my fish, so let's put it in the oven and leave it for some minutes so we can start cooking now pending the time the fish is ready. So this is vegetable oil. I added the mixed pepper which I blended, and this is not cube. Yeah, so next thing, let's check our fish. Yeah, our fish should be ready. So our fish is ready. Wow, this is nice. So let's put our fish in it. So in the stew, so as you can see, our stew is almost ready. So you can use this stew to eat anything you want. Okay, rice, you can use to eat rice. Yes, eat bread. Yes, and any other thing that you want. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. I love you guys. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.